So we got a Kymco. What am I getting myself into? Well, let's check this out. The complaint. You can hear that. You know, that actually sounds, like the fuel pump. I thought it was the Yes, that is the fuel pump. Making hideous noises. I thought it was the cooling fan. It is not. Well, let's investigate. Oh, that shot right in there. Oh, shot out at me. I keep a lot of these. What do we got? Oh, we'll see what's going on. Yeah, I'm getting the... Probably can't see nothing in there. Changing the spark plug. So I took the fuel pump out. See, it's up there. Took it out, shook it around. Had a look at it, see if anything was burned up or whatnot. And put it back in, and it doesn't make noise now. I must have fixed it, but I'm gonna advise a fuel pump replacement, because also, let's have a look at this. Yeah. This thing like shuts off. Starts right back up. Got a new plug. But it shuts off randomly. So I think chance that fuel pump, fire it up. Let's see if the pump still makes noise. Okay. It's not screaming no more. I did put some marbles in it for, you know, lubrication. I doubt that did anything. I'm still going to recommend he gets a new fuel pump. Well, I'll stick this thing back together. I think he's got to use this tomorrow, so I'll give him a call.